Hey guys, welcome back to the Scopeio channel. Today we are going to unbox a Redmi A8. So let's get started. This is a 32GB model and 3GB RAM variant. It has Snapdragon 439 and it has 5000 mAh battery. It has 12 megapixel AI camera and it has 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's open the box and see what's inside. First we have got to see the mobile. We will keep it aside for some time and let's see under the box what we got. So here is a Qualcomm 10-watt charger which support fast charging, and this is USB type C. That's it in the box. So let's see the paperwork what we got. It's a SIM ejector too and some basic guides for the mobile. Yeah, that's it. Now let's boot the phone. So here we got the new text finish in the back. So we have booted the device and this is the satisfying feeling of the glass. Ooh. So this phone comes in 3 colors: blue, black and red. And just set up the device real quickly. Now the phone has successfully booted. Now let's see what we have got in it. First we will go to the setting and check out about this phone. So as you can see, it is running on MIUI 11 global version. It is Android 5. So let's see the camera. So again, this is 12 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front. So as you can see, the camera quality is really good according to the budget phone, and we are clicking some sample shots so you can see afterwards. So as you can see, those photos are captured really great, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. For more such videos you can subscribe to our channel.